the world of astrology and relationships. If you're a Capricorn or know someone who is, you won't want to miss this video. Capricorns and commitment Capricorns are known for their commitment and loyalty in relationships. They value stability and long-term connections. But what happens when they realize they've committed to someone who never cared? Let's explore this scenario. The realization. Capricorns are often the last to know when they're in a one-sided relationship. They're so focused on making things work that they overlook the signs of disinterest or indifference from their partner. But when they finally realize the truth, it can be a shock. The aftermath. After the realization, Capricorns may feel hurt, betrayed, and confused. They might question their judgment and feel like they've wasted their time. But remember, it's never too late to learn from past experiences and grow as individuals. The desire for closure. Capricorns are known for their desire for closure. They want to understand what went wrong and why their partner never cared. This desire for closure can lead them to reach out to their ex, hoping for an explanation or closure. The ex's return. Sometimes the ex realizes their mistake and wants to make things right. They might reach out to the Capricorn, apologizing for their past indifference and expressing their desire to rekindle the relationship. This can be a confusing and emotional time for the Capricorn, who must decide whether to give the relationship another chance or move on. Moving forward. Regardless of the outcome, it's essential for Capricorns to learn from their experiences and grow as individuals. They should focus on their own happiness and well-being rather than dwelling on past mistakes. Remember, every experience, good or bad, is an opportunity to learn and grow.